The following video explain how to repair a failed RAU board. One of the cause for the fault is the burning of this patch cord on the line port. And here we've got this failed board and some tools. This for a knife for cutting some patch cord, and we have this scissor, and this for cleaning, this for closing and opening some nuts we have, and we have screwdriver star and flat screwdriver. We have a cleaver for patch cord or fiber, and splicer machine. We first will open some screws. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. Before we proceed, we unplug all these patch cords from their terminal, and then we will continue to remove this and this one. So we continue with the lower part. Before we remove the patch cord, we must keep record of each one where it is plugged in. We must check the label and record to some paper or anything which will be easy to remember. So when we remove this patch cord, we must check the label on both sides. On the patch cord, we have the label like this, and we have to check on the outside which port it connects to. So here is the view of so here is the mapping for the port and the patch code. Here the port is seen from outside, and here are the label for patch code seen from inside, from the inside. And so next we'll remove the patch cord. You can use the flat screwdriver to assist you to pull the patch cord. Okay, now after we have disconnected the patch cord, we have to remove this cover, and you have to be careful with this for FCD button, and here lights for indicator, because the pins here can destroy these lights and it becomes damaged. And also be careful with this FCD button. Then we unroll this patch cord and remove from here. Then we'll take off this and be careful with the pins here which attach this upper circuit with the bottom here. When you put this circuit board, you have to make sure the upper circuit is put down to avoid the pins from hitting on the bottom. Maybe they can bend and it becomes damaged. Okay, after we remove these circuits at the up, we then loosen these nuts and then we open this cover to check the circuit inside and the main thing we want to do, we want to replace the patch cord to the line port. We have to find out inside and we have to splice again.